You want me to go first? Had a bit of a shambles there. Went to Asda to pump up my tires and set it to 33 psi for my front tire. Started pumping it up, or so I thought. There you go. I was like, all good. Rode out of Asda, or started to ride out of Asda, and I was like, this feels strange, but maybe it's just like the brakes holding on a little bit since I've pumped up my tires a bit more. My handlebars started wobbling like mad, so I turned in the next turning and I had basically no air in my tires. Well, my front tire. Thankfully, McLaren, as you do. Oh, the little CBT riders. Ah. There goes my viral clip. So I don't know if I'll trust the pumping machine, at least with the bike, anymore, because it is slightly awkward trying to get the pumping thing, I think that's what they call it, actually onto the nozzle, which is also what I think you call it. Jesus Christ.
Has this been here?
I honestly don't know. It's been a little while since I've been here, but
Get your own.
who's it?
Get your own. Stop taking photos of mine, get your own.
No, I'm gonna milk your fucking Triumph to the end of days. Speaking of which, actually, the you might have seen last night I made like a short thing. Everyone fucking loves your bike.
It's a good place to piss.
There are toilets in Houtman down at the beach, which actually is a very scenic, but I can never guarantee if they're open or not, but they are usually open around this season. But it's worth a try. Yeah. But just get... Hello.
Hi.
Good to go? Alright. Yeah, that's one way to do it. It's okay.
Remember when we were learning to ride?
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, hey, I have a bike, do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
Yeah. And went over to that car park over there.
Oh shit, yeah.
And I remember I was like, is there a big car park somewhere in fucking this place?
Yeah.
The fuck we are. Berghead, Hopeman.
Homan, yeah.
And you were like, no. Fuck is this? 2 seconds on the fucking road.
This is bigger than I remember here.
Yeah, something else.
Right.
I thought that was a footpath. Well, actually, yeah, no. I can definitely wish upon my enemies getting diarrhea while wearing a one piece. Because that's an endeavour that requires you to take your fucking shoes off, my guy.
Yeah. Absolutely lovely day though.
Fantastic, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah. Proper summer, yeah. Empty skate park on a day like this.
It was painful to watch.
Is that on? What the hell fuck else did you do? Did you put my exhaust on backwards?
No, the chain's inside out.
Oh, okay.
You know the McLaren?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was something like that, but yellow. It just went.
Alright. Cool. Fuck's sake, when the fuck did you do that? Oh. Bye. Bye.